Good morning. I'm about to get run over, but behind me you can see I'm here with Team Galag and we're starting the snow tour. We are basically driving from Copenhagen up through Sweden, going to do a bit of ice driving and then back to Stockholm. But as is the way with this lot, we don't do it in normal cars. We have a Batmobile behind me. And then we're joined by Olsen, somewhere over here, with his Praga. And then the TG3 over here, AMG GTS, with a badass body kit on it. And then me in the little pint-sized Porsche. Should be fun. First fuel stop, just a couple of minutes out of the hotel, and already it's looking like it's going to be a pretty amazing trip. Just the cars we've got, like this thing just looks badass. And then obviously we have the Batmobile over here, which is just crazy. And then this Praga is just kind of jokes.
Easy high, please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes.
We've just stopped on the side of the road for some reason. The cars are all sort of here somewhere, and we're trying to see what is going on. Hello, we are in the car and we have the Praga in front of us, which just looks mental. I don't know whether this thing should really be on the road or not. But then in front of that, we have the Batmobile, which looks even more nuts. The TG3 is somewhere around, don't know where that is, but we're cruising along, making quite a good time. The weather's pretty shitty, but we're almost to lunch. Let's have a little look around this Praga. Have a little look inside. This is mental. We have made it to our lunch stop. I can't pronounce it. Apparently they're gonna have some sick burgers. But there's like 8 billion people here.
Coconuts. We're in Sweden.
That's my second home.
You crazy Swede.
Guys behind me are rigging up camera on the top of the Focus RS. This is pretty mad. Just having a look at Tal's tyres, and he's got these little studs in them. Can't be, you can see. We have made it to Stockholm. All the cars parking up outside the hotel. Got a little bit separated. The Batmobile apparently has been a bit interesting. As you can see. I can't see. Good little collection of cars.
Alright, bruv. Alright.